A secured credit card can still reject your application, even though you provide a security deposit, because the deposit does not remove every approval requirement. By the end, you'll know the main reasons secured cards deny applications and what steps you can take before applying again. The biggest reason a secured card application gets rejected is that issuers still review information about the applicant. A secured card lowers the lender's risk with a deposit, but the issuer may still check factors like identity information, application details, and account eligibility. A common mistake is assuming that secured means guaranteed approval. Secured cards are designed to be easier to qualify for than many traditional credit cards, but they are not automatic approvals. One reason for rejection can be incorrect information on the application. A mismatch with your name, address, social security number, or other personal details can create problems during verification. Before submitting an application, make sure every detail matches your official records. Small errors can delay or prevent approval. Another reason is applying for a card that has requirements you do not meet. Different secured card issuers have different approval rules, deposit requirements, and account policies. Check the issuer's eligibility information before applying. This helps you avoid unnecessary applications that may not fit your situation. A denied application can also happen if the issuer cannot verify your identity. If the company cannot confirm the information provided, it may not be able to open the account. If your application is rejected, review the denial notice from the issuer. The notice usually explains the reason for the decision and what information was considered. You can also check your credit reports for inaccurate information before applying for another card. Errors on your credit profile can affect how lenders view your application. When you apply again, focus on improving the areas that caused the rejection. Update incorrect information, confirm eligibility, and compare secured cards with approval requirements that match your situation. A secured card works best when you choose the right product and manage the account responsibly after approval. Making payments on time and keeping balances under control can help you build a stronger credit history over time. To summarize, secured cards can reject applications because the issuer still reviews eligibility, application accuracy, and identity verification. A security deposit reduces risk but does not guarantee approval. Your next step is to find out why the application was denied, fix any issues, and only apply for cards that match your profile. If this guide helped you understand secured card approvals, like the video and subscribe for more credit tips.